How to inspect Element on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Once you're here, tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Tap the search bar, type Share, and select the Share action from the results. In the new action block, tap Input and select Shortcut Input. Then, tap on the Input button and select Shortcut Input. Now, tap on the blue text to choose what types of content you want to receive. Tap on Clear to deselect everything, then enable Safari web pages and tap on Done. Now, tap on Nowhere in the Receive block. On the Details page, enable the Show in Share Sheet toggle and tap on Done as shown. Tap the search bar again. Type Run and select Run JavaScript on web page. The shortcut is now set up to extract all links from a web page from the share sheet using the default script. Following these steps, you can easily inspect Element on an iPhone.